Part G, we have 222 grams of calcium chloride, which is apparently a very happy thing according to this mole at the other side of. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick summary. So you have this much, 222 gram. You need to work out the number of compounds. The number of compounds is capital N. That's the same as asking for the number of molecules. So that's the first part. And on the second part, you need to work out the number. It said number, not number of mole. So it's capital N you're looking for in both cases. Okay, now if you want capital N, then obviously you need to have the number of mole. And you can use Avogadro's, and you can get the number of mole from the mass if you have the molar mass. So I'm going to start by finding the molar mass of calcium chloride, which is the molar mass of calcium plus 2 times the molar mass of chloride. So 101 gram per mole. Looks like it. So I do this quite often. I think it has to be 101.1 because well, first of all, I can't actually add apparently because it's 111.1, and second of all, the mass of calcium in the periodic table is 40.1, but I already used 40. Okay. The number of mole is the next thing I'm going to find. I'm going to find the number of mole calcium chloride, which is the mass of calcium chloride divided by the molar mass of calcium chloride. And then we have 111.1 over 222. I mean, it would have been so beautiful if it's just 111, so I don't have to use a calculator and have very, you know what, it's not the big deal. It's still rounded up to be 0.5. Okay, we need the number of CaCO2, so I need the number of mole multiplied with Avogadro's number, so we have 0.500 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23, which is 3.01 times 10 to the 23. Compound, I guess, and it's kind of bad because our formatting is not the greatest, but I am still going to indicate my final answer for this part. Next part, how many chloride ion? Now this should be easy. If you look at the formula, for every calcium chloride you need to have twice the amount of chloride, so all you need to do is to double the answer in part A. Now if you are in an exam situation and your answer in part A is incorrect, you would still get mark for this part because you use the answers from the previous part in a correct manner. So I think the idea is you really want to continue even if you're very unsure that your initial calculations are not correct, because you won't get penalized too heavily if everything that follow is okay. Indicate the final answer. Good. Alright, and I think that's it for this section.